Guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's been quite long since I've done a clothing haul, so I thought it'd be a good idea to do one. So this video is Meesho clothing haul. Now Meesho is India's favorite app to buy top quality products at affordable prices, and Meesho is trusted by 1 million users, so it's all good. It's really nice. And also you can earn money on Meesho. I have collaborated with them once, so what you can do is you can share and resell the items on the app and earn money by that. You get rupees 100 or 30% off on your first order of Meesho, and cash on delivery and free delivery on all of your orders. So isn't that cool? Let's get started. So the very first item that I got is this top that I'm wearing. It's this rainbow top. It just fits my body so well. It's very nice quality, and yeah, you can just see all of the rainbow patterns, so vibrant and nice. And I got this for just 311 rupees. Isn't that crazy? It's so good, and you get free delivery with it. You can also get 100 rupees off on your first order, so you can only get this top for 211, which is super crazy because it is so nice and just fits my body so well, and I love this top. Okay, moving on to the next item, I got this top. Now this is sort of like a faux fur top, which you can just wear simply like this, or you can also like attach it. So they also give the straps, so you can either attach it on with these straps, or you can just wear it as it is. So it's super cool, and it just fits your body so well. Also, it's faux fur, nothing like real fur or anything like that, and it's so good. You can wear it to parties. I'm just like imagining wearing this, and it'll be like so cool because I look a little better than what I usually look. So I guess I really like this top, and it's black. They also had like many color options. They had like purple, then they also had like white, so you can choose the one that you want to. And this top was for 612 rupees, which I think is a steal because I have seen this top on other apps and websites, and let me tell you, it was expensive. So now the next item that I ordered is a little fancy. So this is like a floral dress. It's so nice. The quality is so nice, and you won't imagine how much this was. This was just for rupees 552. What? 500 for a dress that is this good? I honestly did not expect the material to be this good because it was just for like 500 rupees. But just trust me guys, the material is so good, and it's just for 552. It's the nicest thing that I've got in this entire haul. Also, like there are like cups over here, so you can get like full support. I don't need these cups honestly, but I mean, I can understand some people do. So yeah, that's that. And then you also have this like little bow here, and this is what the top looks like. Flower patterns, and then this mesh thing here, just so nice. It's super comfortable to wear, and the quality is top notch. So the next clothing item that I got is this tracksuit. Now I honestly love this tracksuit. I keep saying that for all the items, but I am not disappointed by even one item because all of them are so good. So you basically get this jacket. I got it in olive color, but there were like also other color options available. There was black, then gray, then beige, then white. So there are a ton of color options, and like a lot of variety on Meesho. So this is the tracksuit that I got. It just fits me so well. And yeah, it also has like a chain, so it's basically, this one is a jacket, and then you have the bottoms, and this is in olive color. You also have pockets in the bottom, so there's like 4 pockets on the bottoms and then 2 pockets on the jacket. Then they also provide you with the shirt. This is the shirt. It's a white, solid white shirt. I haven't opened it yet. So this is what the shirt looks like, and trust me, the quality of this shirt, it's the best. It is so good. It's so soft, and it's just stretchable as well. So it's a very nice quality like t-shirt. So you can just buy this entire set on Meesho, and this was just for rupees 492. Can you believe it? The entire tracksuit was for 492, which is so affordable. So I highly recommend you to check this one out. So the next thing I got from Meesho is this floral dress. It's like this, has these roses on it, and it's completely white. It's very light material, so it's perfect like for all of the seasons that you want to wear it in. So it's perfect for spring or for summers, and you can just simply like tie this up here, and this is what it looks like from the back. And they also have a belt. This is what the belt looks like, so you can just tie it around, and this is what I look like wearing this dress. So that is all for this video guys. I really hope you all like it. Don't forget to download the Meesho's app. I'll link it in the description box below, along with all of these clothing items and their numbers. Don't forget, you also get rupees 100 off or 30% off on your first order with Meesho, and free delivery along with cash on delivery on all of the orders. So I really hope you all like it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Follow me on my Instagram and on my Twitter, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.